Welcome back to our channel Wanted Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can turn off your post views on TikTok. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel Wanted Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So in order to turn off your post view, first you want to click on profile at the bottom right of your screen. It's going to bring you to your TikTok profile. Once you're in your TikTok profile, you want to click on the three line at the top right of your screen, also known as the hamburger menu. Click on it, and then at the bottom you can see this option called settings and privacy. Click on it. Once you click on it, the second option where it says privacy, click on it, and it's going to take you to the privacy setting of your TikTok. Over here, scroll all the way down, and the third last option which says post views, click on it, and it should be on. So at the top right, click on this button and it's going to turn gray. That means you have turned off your post views on TikTok. So that's how you guys can turn off your post view. And if you turn off your post view, then basically that you won't allow people who follow you to see that you viewed their post and see which followers viewed yours. Post view history will only be available for 7 days from the post data. So basically you're going to disallow people to do this, alright? So that's how you guys can turn off your post view on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel step. I'll see you guys next time.